Interim relief for Pervez Musharraf. He was being tried for treason, but that case has been adjourned. But the court has rejected the request seeking the arrest of the former military ruler. Now, a two-judge bench of the Apex Court in Pakistan, comprising of Justice Khwaja and Justice Khilji, are hearing the case against Pervez Musharraf, that is seeking his trial under Article 6 of the Constitution for imposing the state of emergency in 2007. So he's being tried for treason, but they have adjourned the hearing for the moment. But there was a request for his arrest, that he be placed in custody. That has been rejected. So there is some interim relief. Even after first he saw his nomination for elections being rejected from one or two constituencies, then it was accepted. But then after there came the directive from the Supreme Court. Also, Radhika, the fact that he should not leave the country.
Yes, and in fact today Anand Musharraf did not personally appear in the court. Shafiq is on the phone line with us. Shafiq, so there is some relief coming for the former president of Pakistan.
Yes, indeed, it is a relief because the hearing has been adjourned till 15th of April. But on the other hand, the court has, General Musharraf's lawyer Ahmad Raza Kasuri had requested the Supreme Court that he should not be arrested in Pakistan, and that request has been rejected by the Supreme Court. So still, there is a Damocles sword on the neck of General Pervez Musharraf. Anything could happen because he has already secured protective bail in 3 different cases, which will expire in the coming few days. And on the other hand, this case is extremely important because there is a request from 5 different individuals who are asking the Supreme Court that the treason case should be registered against Pervez Musharraf. So the hearing has been adjourned till 15th April, and but still the fate of General Musharraf is 50-50 because he is not being allowed to go out of the country. The Supreme Court has yesterday instructed the Federal Investigation Agency and the immigration authorities to not allow him to leave the country until his cases are decided by the courts, different courts.